Hello everyone, welcome to the next next video on Exbook questions. We are working on them on Kaggle, and you are learning with DivK Learner. So yesterday we discussed about this question uh, that what we have to do is we have to write down a code uh, in which we are talking about given a list of numbers as the first input argument. Write a function to remove all the items in the list that have the same value as the second input argument. For example, in the first argument, we are giving them a list 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5. And in the second argument, we have given 2. So what it will do is it will remove all the 2's and just return the list with the remaining values. So you can see here we have given the list initially, or the system has given the initial list as 0 1 2 3 2 5, and you've written down second integer as 2, and it has returned 0 1 3 5. And similarly 0 1 2 3, and I've written down 4. It did not find 4, so it did not remove anything, and it gave 0 1 2 3. So now let's just take this example and understand it here. So I have written down a method called remove value from list, in which I'm written down my list and the value. So if you talk about the my list part there, this is the value which is passed in my list. So 0 1 2 3 2 5, and the second value is 2. So it comes in the loop where it says while value in my list. So value is 2. So what we are saying to while is that you should work till you find 2 in this list. And if it finds 2 in this list, it will come here and it will remove the value 2. So it will remove the first value, and then it will go back and check again if the value exists in my list. And we find out that yes, it does at this position, and then it will remove that, and it will be left with only 1 0 1 2 1 0 1 3 5, like this one, and that's what is going to return. So here I'm trying to check the method that I've written, whether that's fine or not, and I've written down the method name in the check, and cheat is true, so that I can see all these values. So in the first one, we have written on 0 1 2 3 2 5, and remove we have written now that it should remove 2, so it has given us 0 1 3 5. Similarly, in the second example, we have 2 3 5 6 8 3 4 3 3 4 5, and we have asked 3 to be removed, so it becomes 2 5 6 8 4 4 5. And this is 0 1 2 3. 4 has to be removed, and if 4 is not there, so it will not remove anything. 4 number is not present in the list, and in this we are written on 5, so there are 2 5s, and it has removed those 2 5s, and we have 8 7 6 4 3 3 2. So that's what we have done in this method, and tomorrow we'll be talking about print EB bracket 7. So I'll run this. This is the question, which is saying that given two equal length list of unique numbers, write a function to return the number of items in these two lists that have the same values and are at the same position. For example, if these two lists are 1 2 3 5 and 2 1 3 4, then the output is 1, because the value 3 appears at the same position in of the list. So it has to return us the positions where the value is equal, the first place where the two values are equal. So in this example, if you see, we have 1 3 5 and 2 1 3 4. So this 3 and this 3 are at the same position, so it is only one time that they're on the same position. That's the reason we get 1. If we see 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5 and 5 2 3 1, so 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 are at the second and the third position, and that's the reason it is giving us 2. So we have to check that. So that we'll be talking tomorrow. So with that, we have come to the end. So what I'll prefer you to do is try that question at home, and see if you're able to solve it by tomorrow. Else we talk and we can work on that. So with the hope that we have moved a bit forward in our learning, I thank you for listening. And you can the link would be given in the description, so you can visit the Kaggle page for the code. Even if you have any questions or comments, you can write it down on an email, on my email, which is divklearner@gmail.com. It would be there in the description of the video as well. So once again, have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.